going to show you how to shoot way more better, just like this. Here's one easy way you could learn how to do that. Try shooting from up close, like a layup. Like shooting from like right here is a good way to train. Even though I missed that, it doesn't mean you can't make most of these shots. And another way is by getting cones and putting them around the court, showing people where to shoot, or showing you where to shoot. And every time you don't miss, every time you miss, you just shoot from there again. Every time you make it, you switch to the other spot, just like this. I have 4 cones, go on each one of these lines. So first, I'll shoot from right here. But look, if I make it, I can move from right there to here. And boom. Alright. So see you guys next time. Bye.